I came up with this little invention that is saving me a ton of stress on my back. I don't have the best back, and I'm able to get hundreds of seeds in the ground in the same day. Voila! I present to you the standing planter. It's not sexy, but it gets the job done, and I am damn proud of this thing. So all I did is take a 1-inch PVC pipe that we had on hand. I cut it to be about my waist height here, and I put one of these little Gladware containers on it. I made a couple holes, put a zip tie, I think 2 zip ties. No, I just did 1 zip tie through. And then some duct tape to keep it secure so it doesn't wobble back and forth. And the idea is you put seed in here, and that way it's carrying the bulk of the seed. And then as you go along in the ground, you place the seed where you exactly want it to fall, and then you just keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, let's go plant. See all them blue seeds in the ground, ready to rock and roll, ready to be sowed in.